Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up a Lighthouse account and verifying your email, then enable 2FA for security. Once done, upload your latest resume and a one-page tailored cover letter as PDFs so parsing stays clean. Make sure to add direct portfolio links like LinkedIn or GitHub and configure 1-3 job alerts for roles you want. This gets you visible and ready. It also ensures incoming roles match your skills, so you can move to applying immediately without pausing to reformat files. You now tackle the core application form, complete required fields like desired title, location, salary range, and earliest start date. Then answer screening questions directly. Use exact keyword phrases from the job posting so automated filters match your profile. Attach certifications as PDFs and add direct links to demos or code samples so reviewers can verify skills fast. Once the form is populated, double-check formatting and remove extraneous info that distracts from your core qualifications. Then prepare to customize the short application message. You finish by reviewing every field and running a quick spell check, then preview the submission to ensure links and attachments open correctly. Once submitted, plan a brief, polite follow-up message through Lighthouse 5 to 7 days later to reiterate interest. If you receive no response or your profile isn't being found, reindex your resume with updated keywords, reapply, and if necessary contact Lighthouse support for parsing issues. This troubleshooting step often resolves visibility problems and gets your application back into reviewers' view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.